What's up, guys? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Iptv Smarters Pro on your laptop or PC. This will be quick and easy, so follow the steps carefully. Let's get started. Before the video starts, if you need a free trial for Iptv Smarters Pro, please contact us via the WhatsApp number in the description below or visit our website. First, open your browser. I'll be using Google Chrome, but any browser will work. In the search bar, type Iptv Smarters Pro and hit enter. On the search results page, you'll find the official Iptv Smarters Pro website, usually the first link. Click on it. Once the website loads, scroll down until you see the latest versions of Iptv Smarters Pro for different devices. You'll see options for APK files, MacBooks, and more. Since we're downloading it for a laptop, click on Windows OS. The file will start downloading automatically. If it doesn't, scroll down and click here to download the file manually. After the download is complete, open your file manager and go to the Downloads folder. You'll see the Iptv Smarters Pro file. Double-click on it to start the installation process. The file will now install on your laptop. Once the installation is complete, open the Iptv Smarters Pro app. Enter your username and password to log in, and you're all set. Now you can enjoy Iptv Smarters Pro on your laptop. That's it. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time. I'll see you next time.